Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make an herbal heat wrap. And there's many different techniques to use this. We can utilize anything from actually rice, or we can use buckwheat hulls, or in this case I'm going to use a seed called the cassia seed. And a lot of people like to add additional herbs into their heat wrap, and I always like to add a little bit of lavender into it, just to make it a little extra relaxing. Most people will actually go ahead and warm it up in their microwave after just a few seconds, but other people will warm it up either with a heating pad or even putting it in a very low oven, not a hot oven, in order to warm it up. I'm going to use a little old cotton cloth that I've got left over, and you can stitch it up. And when I was in school, we actually used to use socks. So any of these things can be very effective for an herbal heat wrap, and it may depend on what you have available, or it may depend on what particular part of the body you're going to place this heat wrap. My favorite place is my neck and shoulders, since most of us hold our tension there, but we can use this on an injury anywhere on the body. So once we've gone ahead and gotten our piece of cloth that we're going to place our herbal heat wrap in, we can go ahead and fill it loosely with whatever seeds, rice, or buckwheat hulls that we may want to place in there. Don't put too much, a little bit goes a long way. And then we're going to go ahead, and if we want to add some additional herbs, maybe a teaspoon of an additional fragrant herb that you may want to add into that. Then we can either fold it or go ahead and stitch it up. I'm just going to fold mine up here and make sure that nothing leaks out. Then we go ahead and we heat it up either with a heating pad, microwave, or a slightly warm oven. Then we can go ahead and place that on whichever part of our body really responds well to heat. So this is Bob Lindy showing you how to make an herbal heat wrap in order to help soothe any of the stressed out or tense places of your body. So please enjoy your herbal wraps.